Guys, I'm pretty excited. We're seeing a lot of MQB out here. I think I recognize a few cars, only a few of them, but a beautiful, in fact, actually, I don't think you can see it there. Great Falls Green GTI with Euro tails. Looks like he's on like those like M4 GTS. We'll definitely be getting some, I'm sure, some good footage. I can assure you that. I mean, for instance, we have a GTR. We're in the naughty line. We didn't pre-register, so we're hoping they take cash, or not cash. We hope they take card. That would be nice. We are almost there, guys. I'm looking forward to finding out if not having cash is quite all right. Something I've noticed with this car, and I guess it's similar to most of these cars, especially when modified to the extent that this one is the oil tempies, when you're kind of just stop and go, they rise. Hey, what's going on?
How's it going? Looking to register?
Yes.
Awesome, so you were all set. So these guys down here in yellow will tell you where to park.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome.
Not too many Golf Rs. I think I've only seen a Mark 6 maybe, but we're on cold start right now. I hope everything stays on, diffuser and all. We got Kyle. Are we gonna go fast today?
No.
And yeah, I think we might as well put the car in race mode. Oh, I'm looking forward to it. Alright, we're rolling out, guys. Definitely kind of at the later part of the pack, but I don't think I saw Danny quite yet. He's, I think he's a couple rows behind. So excited, guys. This is really kind of one of the first times I'm able to take this thing on a long journey, do some proper spirited driving without really worrying about it. It's been oh, and here's the highway. Oh, that was a sharp turn, let me tell you. One thing we can't do is get pulled over and get a ticket. If we can avoid it, I'd like to avoid it. Oh, the pops are active right now. We have some insanely cool C7 Corvettes right in front of us. We got Kyle in a F30 of some sort. It looks like maybe a 335. Hard to say. That might give me a real run for my money. This car is so fast. Here we go. I don't know what kind of car that is. I'm like a fake car guy. So the intentions would be that this event is a cruise. It is kind of the furthest thing from it. It's more of a rally. And it's mostly from the rate of speed of others. But it's still kind of cool. I mean, I definitely like watching other people go fast. We do go kind of a little bit of a demon time, but nothing too crazy. I can appreciate the GoPro right there. I saw a lot of people filming today, so if anyone's watching who was a part of today's cruise, definitely comment down below. It's very cool seeing other creators out here. That's a very, very clean RX-8. Check out that GTR. The thing is freaking sweet. Love the red wheels. That's a pretty nice build. I can get behind that build. All right, I see a little bit of an opening, a bit of a gap, and I think the Civic is trying to cut in front of me. I got a Mark 7. Very nice. Looks like it might just be a Golf though. It's a sneaky, sneaky Golf. It's very nicely built though. I can get behind some of those mods. Oh, can we thread it? Oh no. Oh, the Prius gets the last laugh. You know he's on it too. Here's the thing, I don't think I'm gonna get in front of this guy. The only issue with the Cruise being on this road is simply that it's double lane and double lane only. I don't know if I'm gonna get in front of this guy, because when I try to pass, he speeds up, and I'm faster than a Prius, but he puts up a good fight, which is mildly unfortunate. Well, let's see what I can do. Oh no! I knew this was gonna be the case, so I think he's just gonna stay door to door with the Beamer. I don't think I'm getting in front of him. All right, let's go to focus mode. He was being a little aggressive, and I don't appreciate the aggression. Oh my God, guys, the pops are so loud. The thing is with these pops is you really have to kind of, I think I might have just drove by a cop. Obviously the harder you drive, the hotter the exhaust gets, and the pops just get ridiculously crazy. It's so insane how beautiful it is right now. I think we're just beyond peak foliage. We're kind of now at the time where everything starts to aggressively die. However, on the flip side, that's totally all right. That's to be expected. Usually, they did a good job as far as timing goes for this event, simply because they decided to do it not in November. I know there's been delays and weather concerns and blah, blah, blah. In fact, there was a year that we did it where I think I made a video on it, I'm not too sure, but it was just absolute slush, which is scary because some of these cars today are on drag radials, and obviously that does not necessarily work with slush. But guys, oh my God, I'm so glad we're doing it at the time we're doing it, just because the foliage is nice, it's not terribly cold. I'm in shorts, which is kind of a ridiculous decision for today. It's 60 degrees, which is kind of nippy, but guys, look what's right in front of me. It only gets better too. This is not even the nice part of the Cruise. I mean, it's nice, but you know, it gets even better. So I'm pretty stoked to see kind of what's in store for us. Obviously, I don't think I've really been up to the White Mountains, even for being a local or a native. I don't think I've been up here where it's this north at least. So it's really, really nice. I'm super excited to see what it's like even more north. And it actually might even be a little bit more nicer just in general, simply because of the elevation change. So I'm really excited. The car's doing great too. I don't want to jinx it by any means, but oil tempe's kind of sitting nice at 216. Yeah, nothing else to really report. So I'll probably pick up the camera.
Watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead.
Thank you, Waze. But anyway, I will pick up the camera as we get a little closer to our lunch spot, and if there's anything in between now and then, I'll be sure to capture it. Guys, look at that freaking view. Oh man, that was frightening. I think I'm going slow. I don't think it's the smartest idea to vlog and do this rally, but you guys know. Oh, look at that GTI. That thing is so freaking nice. I'm a big fan of that thing. See, I've never been a fan of that color, but just the whole setup itself is just, oh, so cool. That is so cool. Oh, here comes Kyle. That is such a fun little hill. It's just all open, and This is such a cool day. Look at all that scenery. We got Danny behind us. I don't know if you guys can see him, but he is back there. We have the Mk7 crew now. He was definitely using a little bit of a demon time to get up here. Oh, that thing is sweet. Oh, those wheels are just so cool, guys. We're talking about wheels. I gotta get myself into some wheels for sure. But oh man, look how nice that car is, guys. These 7.5s, I know the 8Rs are better, I know, but like 7.5s, guys, they're something else. Alright, you guys, we actually have all kind of MQB'd up, just a bunch of golf homies. But I believe we are at kind of a slower pace due to leaf peepers. That's okay though. It was an abrupt halt, let me tell you. We all had to kind of figure out where to go, because everything merged into one lane, and one lane means slow, very slow. Needless to say, the views are still very, very nice. We have some open face mountains. Very nice. Just a casual M2 CS. Not part of this. We got a, looks like a 2011-2012 5.0. Stock as a rock. I can appreciate that. Guys, big mistake. We actually didn't take the exit that was recommended for gas, or I think even lunch. I don't think they even serve any food here, so that's gonna be tough. But anyway, this kind of gives you guys a little bit of an idea to the scale of this event. It's pretty crazy. I think they may have announced how many cars were out today, but looking around, I mean, I honestly don't want to guess, but probably more than 200 cars, roughly. Which obviously is awesome because it goes to Make-A-Wish. Oh, Pete's doing some that's sweet. Yeah, I think he has Cobb 2-step, so it allows him to sound like such. One day we'll get the IE 2-step. One day. Rolling anti-lag. All right, we got everybody rolling in. Cars for days. But no Nico.
Water right under the bridge.
Yeah, no, that's kind of cool. I guarantee he stopped to get gas. I bet you that thing drinks.
Fountain fed.
Oh.
Nature channel?
Yeah, we're Nature Channel. No more cars. Forget the cars. We do.
You know what? I can see the clickbait now. I'm changing my channel. I'm sorry.
All right, you guys. I've been a bad boy. I've been not so great at filming today, but I'm doing my very best. We are currently done with lunch. It was like around a roughly 2-hour endeavor. I honestly felt like an hour. Today's just been flying by. It's definitely been a long day. If you guys are interested in doing this, just be aware. It's a full day thing, which is a good thing if you're really looking for something to do. This car is so unbelievably fun to drive, guys. Looks like there's a stop sign ahead, but anyway, guys, we are having a good time today. We are definitely having a freaking time. I do feel really bad for not filming cars leaving the lunch stop. It got pretty rowdy and made me reminded me how bad I want a rear-wheel drive V8. So that will very, very likely be the next car on the channel. Time will tell. Oh, Danny I think he might be heading home. Get to see him off, guys. And of course the beautiful resort. I should know the name of that, but I genuinely forget.